Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming accounts and permissions now. Sign into Google Meet and the YouTube channel with the same Google account so streaming links pair correctly. Once done, enable live streaming in YouTube Studio. Verification may take 24 hours, so your stream is allowed. Make sure your browser grants Meet Screen and Tab audio permissions. Without audio sharing, your video stream will be silent. Also pick the right meeting host so you can manage participants and control the stream reliably. Join the meet as the host and configure camera, mic, and layout first. This determines what viewers see. Next, open More Options and choose the built-in stream or recording controls. Select Stream to YouTube. When prompted, pick the YouTube destination and set visibility. Public, unlisted, or private. This affects discoverability and privacy. Make sure you select the correct channel and event details. Adding title and description helps viewers find context. Double-check audio sources. Choose Tab Audio when sharing media for crisp sound. When ready, click Start Streaming in Meet and verify the feed appears in YouTube Studio. Watch the preview and health indicators. You should monitor CPU, upload bitrate, and participant audio levels. Adjusting camera resolution or stopping HD can reduce lag. To finish, stop streaming in Meet, then end the broadcast in YouTube Studio so the archive is saved. If audio or video drop out, first check tab sharing and microphone selection, then reconnect or lower video bitrate. These fixes resolve most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.